Kwina cira utwaritwo igoti-ini wa kweheria kana kuhagura mundu ugwitwo Kithure Kindiki ta deputy president wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya. Indi itanakorwo ngikumenyithia ndeto ino makiria o iragithie na mbere gukorwo gitrend guko online, kuona ni ndeto irahutia mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na gugatuika ati mundu ugwitwo Gachagua no ikore agicokerio giturwa kiria kiari kia deputy president. Njitikiria tu tafadhali ngwihoya na gitio kinene muno makiria witikire gukorwo subscribe thini wa channel ino itu, na please ndugakorwo kiriganirwo gukorwo kihinyaga kigire niguo kamukagira mohoro kiri wa mbere hindi ciothe riria twakorwo tugikumenyithia maria marathie na mbere gukorwo makihanika kana ona hihi gukorwo magikunuka guku thini wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya. Ona cira wa mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua wigi impeachment yake agithia na mbere, ndeto cia kumakania ni irikitie gukorwo ikihuthurio. Kwina mubango munene wa gukorwo makiheria Kithure Kindiki ta deputy president wa bũrũri witu wa Kenya. Mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kwina mweke na ndeto ici ni irikitie gukorwo ikihithurio ni ngatheti ya Nation ikauga ati kwina andu 32 aria ningi ni mathiete igoti-ini makiregana na uria impeachment ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua yatabanirio, na makiria makagekira block na kuga ati majaji matatu na maria mathikagiria cira ucio matiabataire guthie na mbere gukorwo magithukiriria kuona mareka uria marero ni mutongoria wa bũrũri mugatheti president William Ruto, na ukorwo matiakorwo magifuata kihoto na kiria mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua arakienda. O niguo ngatheti ya Nation irikite gukorwo ikiuga, na nie ni ngukorwo ngimiquote ngatheti ya Nation. NTV Kenya magaikorwo makiandikwo fresh court bid to oust Kindiki, reinstate Gachagua as DP. Fresh court bid to oust Kindiki, reinstate Gachagua as deputy president. Thutha wa andu aingi gukorwo makigua ndeto ici ng'eni na ndeto njeru uria maundu magikarite kuria magoti-ini, ndeto igi impeachment ya mundu ugwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua aingi ni manjite gukorwo makiruta maoni mwanya, na nie ni ngukorwo ngikuota andu aiganona na uria mathiete na mbere gukorwo makiuga harita uyu ni arikitie gukorwo akiuga Leto ya ekorwa kiugo na Lucy Mwangi pasta kwa mambo ya one term, na Charles Juma kauga Gachagua will still remain to be my deputy president, na Bernard K.E. kauga imagine being Kenyan and realizing this is news and this is being posted over and over again. Na modo ogwito Musa W. Nixon kauga that's truthful man salivating for the same government he sings every day. It's bad, kitu inauma. Gachagua ni hiyo divorce, if miracle happens then he's back, he'll massage Ruto as the best. And Victor even if Raila Odinga goes to the street rioting hoping the president will invite him for a handshake deal, that will not happen. I'll be roaming in State House compound so that when this mzee tries to sneak in through the back door, he finds me there. Mitego iliwekwa. Na modo wito Paul Jenga akauga Kenya is the only country in the world where the deputy is a ghost worker. Na Enoch Gutoka wa Regiji will never work with Ruto. Na Langat Sini akauga not in Kenyan court. Na Dennis Wabwiri akauga citizens are suffering. Mr. President, focus on important agenda first. Will they be feeding on this comedy really? And Amodogo Thomas Jasiru that's like squeezing water from a stone. Gachagua can and will never be near government again. And Isaac Mumojoroli which court can bring back a divorced marriage. And Mamake Destiny Favor is opposition too heavy. And Engineer Clinton Obongo Senior so he badly wants to be reinstated to a bad government. And Naomi Achenga we don't care who is the deputy, so along as Baba is in control, we are good to go. And Makori Benja now this sounds like a movie aired in a TV station owned by a church. You may think everything aired is true. And Dennis Owor akoga that's a Kikuyu court. And Faido Esther Eric akoga not Kenyan court. And Modo Ogo to Anko Mukabani akoga if Kenya is for a strong opposition leader, then the Wamunyoro man is the best atulie to hapo. And Joga Dhogo akoga sawa that Gachagua wants composition not position. And Modo Ogo to Danny Kibs akoga he should be in his state. him as the DP of the High Kangaroos Court and Omodi Maurice. Very interesting. Be ready for a major court battle that has never been experienced in Kenyan history. And Shakira Auma kwa maybe wa Munyoro Court will Malala as a judge and Amodo Oweto Lucas Wago Yakawa. This Kenya, it's either it have smoked weed or we have smoked the weed or it's the lawyers, but it may be our media station who could have and Amodo Oweto Jokarisa Gachagua wants that position back and Anderson Alfayo akawa to be a Kenyan place and Amodo Oweto Justin Nyakundi. Even if Gachagua is back, Ruto is a one-time man and a Julius Nyugona. Gachagua is not that fool to fall in that kind of a trap and a brown imakawa. Nobody elected Kindiki in any ballot paper and a modogo to Ali Omar Ali. Gachagua is back now as the DP kumewaka and a modo to Sete Philip Gaifafa. Please, lawyer, stop feasting on Gachagua money. That guy has suffered enough. And America Jambi Miki akaga another political game. Kwani do this cartel take Mulima for? This is how kings fight their chickens for meat. Mulima fighting his own Mulima. The kings are using this to divide divide the mountain. It's the high time the two to come together and find this together, but personal interest will sacrifice their people, which Mulima people of the kings to celebrate. Okuriko mwagi wa Mohoro ni no guheana gitio kitene tafadhali ukoge subscribe thine wa channel eno itu nigetha ukamukagira mohoro kirwa mbere hindi ciothe rira twaikoro tuyikira marema ikoro magikunuka kana ona hi gukoro maria makoro makiandika thini wa bũrũri ũyũ witũ wa Kenya. Mwena wa YouTube aikoro githii haya thini wa Siasa aikoro kiandika mwagi wa ona igokoro ikero kurehera uguo no urekire uga mwagi wa mohoro na igokoro kurehera channel eno itu aikoro subscribe mwena wa TikTok aikoro to follow mwagi wa mohoro aikoro comment aikoro share video cito aikoro repost nigetha twaikaragwo kinya twikinya rimwe mbere hindi ciothe nginya muthenya ungi nijitekaga mwagi wa mohoro.